Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, a well-fitted shirt is the most basic and important weapon in a man's wardrobe. A clean and crisp shirt that fits perfectly makes you feel in control, look good like a boss. Plenty of tiny details right from the collar to the sleeves and everything goes in making a great fitting in a shirt. However, buying that shirt and looking good in that shirt is a different thing. So in today's video, I will be telling you and we will be seeing the best way possible you can look good in a shirt and what are the best ways in which you can look good in that shirt. So let's get started. Guys, the very first tip is rolled up sleeves. Guys, untidy sleeves rolls doesn't look good, so make sure that your sleeves are rolled up properly in a proper way. Roll up sleeves if your shirt is a little loose or a little skinny for you, so that it looks a little bit tidy and looks fitted into your body. Guys, my next tip for you is slim fit. For a good looking shirt you need to have a proper fit. It should not be too tight or too loose. It should be exact to your body type. Go for a slim fit shirts if you are having a nice or a normal type of physique, so that it suits to your body type and doesn't look odd. Guys, up next is standing collar. Standing collar looks great and you can buy shirts with button down collars or stiff collar shirts because it's quite in trend, and try to avoid flappy collar shirts because these are now out of date, and the collars with the button down and stiff collars are quite in trend, so you can go with these kind of shirts to look a little bit different and smart. Guys, up next is tucking. Guys, U-shaped bottom shirts can be tucked inside as well as left outside, so you don't need to necessarily tuck it inside. You can leave it outside also, but guys, flat bottom shirts are meant to be tucked inside, so you need to tuck that inside. If your shirt length is long, it's better to tuck in. Guys, I would suggest you to tuck in because it will look proper then. Guys, next thing is layering. You can layer your shirts with a tee also. Make sure to only go for white tees or black color tees. You can leave your shirt and tee both untucked, or you can tuck them both in. Depends on your choice, whatever you like and whatever you are comfortable in. Guys, if you talk about that how you can buy a good shirt or the right shirt for yourself, then I would suggest you that you make sure that the fit and the style of the shirt should be on point, the size and everything. The collar of the shirt should be on point, and also guys, the cuff of the shirt should be rounded or angle edged, depends on the look that you are achieving. The right fabric is very important, guys, because however you have to wear that shirt the whole day and you need to be comfortable with that, so you need to wear the right fabric. So yeah guys, that's all in today's video. Hope you liked my video, and if you liked my video then please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also guys, please comment and suggest me that on what topic you would like to see the next video of mine. And also guys, if you want to motivate us and want to see more such content, then you can donate us whatever you like with your love. Every detail is given in the description down there. And yeah guys, so stay fashionable, stay fit, bye bye.